Hey everybody, Reggaefrank 09, and I have a spice review. This is a little different. It's from Heartbreaking Dawns, and this is their Dr.Bird jerk blend. It's a 5-ounce little jar, plastic. Crafted by Heartbreaking Dawns Artisan Foods. Check them out, heartbreakingdawns.com. Make some very good hot sauce. That mango habanero hot sauce that I reviewed like a couple days ago is already gone. It was that good. Let's see here. Ingredients are going to be onion, salt, black pepper, allspice, ginger, nutmeg, thyme, red pepper, dried habanero. So this is his take on a jerk seasoning. Caribbean style jerk seasoning. So, got myself a simple dinner. About a half pound of chicken strips. Those chicken breasts, I cut the strips at work. And some mixed vegetables. Just got off work and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna actually try a little bit. I haven't even tried this stuff yet. Hopefully it's good, but I trust the company. A little bit on my hand. Just kind of lick a little bit off. And then try it on the food. You really get that nutmeg. You really get that black pepper. And then you get that the kick of that habanero. It's actually pretty damn good. It's probably really good on fish. So let's see how this came out. Go ahead, take a bite. Take a bite. All right. It's pretty damn good. Get another bite. I said I'm hungry. I worked all day. Didn't bring a lunch to work. Wasn't smart. That is a perfect blend of spices right there. The heat factor. Anybody could take this. I'll give it a low 2 out of 10. It is there, but it's one of the last things that you get. Of course, the more you're gonna get after you eat more of your food, of course, you're gonna get a little bit more heat. That's what I'm trying to say. Flavor. Get one more nice big old bite. I cooked this chicken perfect. All right. On flavor, it's a pretty good jerk seasoning. I've only tried a few. I think this is maybe second one I've ever reviewed. I give it a solid 7 out of 10 on flavor. Heat, a low 2. It's pretty decent stuff right here. Heartbreaking Dawns never ceases to fail me so far. All right. So today's burning question. It's going to be, you're going to have to think, what is the first movie that you can remember watching as a child in a theater, or even better, if you remember these, the drive-up theaters? The first movie I can ever remember thinking back to as a child was Lion King. What is yours? And until next time, keep it spicy. I'm going to finish my dinner. I'm hungry. Alright guys, have a good one.